Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video about yen index chart, and hopefully a lot of yen trades coming up. So let's get started. This is a yen index 20-minute chart I made when 17th January 17th, right after finishing 5 wave to the upside. It's going to be coming down for wave A to the downside, and all yen pair will be going down. And for what happened to that chart was this, right? So as it was coming down, yen was getting strong, and all yen pair went down, including all of these trades. I had 1 2 3, you can count, it's like maybe 10-15 trades, right? All of these yen pairs to the downside on the 20th, 21st, 22nd, and 23rd and 24th. All of these yen pairs down, 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 because of that yen index pair. Okay, and now it's about to make the turn, so I'm going to show it to you at the end of it. See all these yen pairs trades. Now what happened to this chart? It went all the way down here, and now this is the new chart that I made. Actually, this is not the one where it goes. Yeah, that's what it is, but I forgot to mark here to here. I did, but it disappeared, right? So what's going to happen is that it is bouncing now, right? I think it's gonna bounce from here without touching the TL, or maybe it will drop one more time, but I think it's bouncing, and it is going up now. And if we go above 53.61 and then stay above, then it's gonna slightly going to the upside, maybe around here at 61% of this drop, to make kind of like a head and shoulder pattern, right? By doing so, the yen is gonna get weaker, and then all yen pair will be going up. Okay, so this is the setup for today, and tomorrow maybe we're gonna be going to the upside if we go above 53.61 and hold. This is the condition, right? And that's what I think is gonna happen, and it gets all the way down, turning to the upside. So for tonight, when the market opens up, the Asian session, it already opened already 1 hour ago, and slightly going to the upside already. So this is the setup for tonight and tomorrow. Pay attention to all yen pairs. They're gonna be going up if this thing stays above 53.61. Okay, so let's do it. If it goes, I'll take my long entries in all yen pairs, most of them, right? Whatever I can get, and then I'll show you my trades. I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, so bye for now, and have a wonderful yen day.